Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do the October Boxycharm unboxing video. This is probably going to be my last one for Boxycharm videos because I stopped my subscription. Okay, first we have Tarteist ProGlow Liquid Highlighter. Liquid Highlighter. Color Stunner. Ooh, that's pretty. I kind of want to try it on. Ooh. Tiny, 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 tiny drop. Kind of highlighted. Okay, I just highlighted my hand. Cool. I actually kind of think I might like this. Doesn't really smell like anything though. Next we have Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Lip Plumping Gloss. Not gonna try it on though, but I'm just gonna open it to see the color. And it is kind of like a peachy color. Oh, smells minty too. I think I got some on my nose. Oh, MSRP is $26 on this one. Tarteist Liquid Highlighter is $29. Iluminatti. Oh, look at that. Cute. Black. What do you call these? Oh, Beauty Blender. Beauty Blenders. Cosmetic Sponge. $21. MSRP $21. Not too bad. Touch Insole. Glassy Pretty Filter Skin Balm. Skin Balm. Glassy Skin Balm. MSRP on that $32. And all the ingredients are in Chinese. At the last step of your skincare routine, apply evenly to the skin. Pretty box. Pretty packaging. This is what the package looks like. The jar. It's a jar. And it looks like you open it upside down. Because the product is inside. Oh wait, maybe not. Okay, oops. It just looks like you open it upside down. But I guess not. It's a lot of packaging. It's like the whole top. And then it's a lot of packaging. Or like, oh, it smells really good actually. A lot of packaging for actually a little bit of face cream. Skin balm. Smells good. And looks a little glossy. I don't know if you can tell that on camera, but yeah. 1.05 ounces, 1 ounce basically. Not too much, but I think there's more packaging than product in there. And that one is, oh, this is $32 also. MSRP. Glassy Skin Balm. And last but not least, ooh, Dose of Colors Eyeshadow Palette. I feel like this was in the last box in a different shade. Maybe it was a different brand. Yeah, I got this in the last one, but not this shades. Wine Stain, Spaced Out, Wishy Washy, Rosy, Fluffy. We shall see. Let's check it out. Marvelous Mauves, Dose of Color. MSRP $32. Mixture of shades, 5-pan. Matte eyeshadow. I like matte, but I'm not a fan of complete all matte colors. I like it feels like metal almost. Not plasticky. Ooh, has a mirror. And a plastic protector. And this is what they look like close up. Spaced Out. This is Spaced Out. This is a Wishy Washy. This is Rosy. And this is Fluffy. I actually really like the Rosy, just looking at it. And it comes with a little brush. A little tiny brush. This one looks like more pointed. And this side is like a fluffy brush. Little fluffy brush. Yeah, I don't know, I like these colors. And a mirror. You can actually see. You can mostly see your eyes in the mirror. And you can use your brush to clean it off. Yeah, I don't know, I want to swatch them, but I don't want to swatch them because I want to keep it new. So let me know if you want me to do a tutorial with these or use these colors. Some of them are a little dark for me. This is my favorite color, I think, and maybe this one. Yeah, and it tells you the colors on the back as well. And I think that's it. So that's my October box. Just real quick recap. Tarte ProGlow eyeshadow, iconic Plumping lip balm. This is the beauty blender, black glassy pretty filter skin balm, and marvelous mauves dose of color. And yeah. So, Dose of Color eyeshadow palette, $32. Touch and Soul, $32. Lip Plumping Gloss, $26. Liquid highlighter, $29. Tarteist liquid eyeliner, $29. And Cosmetic sponge, $21. So thank you everybody for watching. Thank you so much. And be sure to like and subscribe, and check out my Poshmark closet link at the bottom. I think I'm gonna do a Poshmark haul video, and thinking about just Stella & Dot's sample sale video for my next couple ones. So thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.